Welcome to the GTU Library tutorial on requesting books for pickup in our lockers. From the GTU Library homepage, begin a search and summon. Then limit your search to physical items in the library. Click the Check Availability link to see more information about the item. Click the Request button next to the red check to start your request. Sign in with your library barcode and the PIN you created. Select GTU Lockers from the drop-down menu. No need to specify a date. Hit Submit. Then click Request Selected Item. You will receive an email to your school email when the item is ready for pickup. You can also check your library account to see if your holds are ready and what pickup location they will be ready at. Thank you.